Where does the name for Caia Park come from? So today I'm in Wrexham and I'm in a suburb called Caia Park. Let's get into the name. Let's have a look at the name. Park is fairly obvious, with both English park and Welsh parc being borrowed from the Norman French word parc, which meant an enclosed area. But what's a caia? Well, it's an anglicised spelling of a Welsh word, caei, which is the plural of cae, which means a field, so literally it means fields. Cae comes ultimately from the Proto-Celtic word cagros, which meant an enclosed area, and is also the ancestor word to caer, which means a fortress. Caia Park, Parc Caia, got its name from a farm in the area called Caia, literally the cottage of the fields, which was demolished when they built the railway. After Wrexham Borough was created, Caia Park became a ward in 1857. Most of the current area was designed in the 1950s and was originally called Queen's Park, but it was renamed in the 1980s to try and give it a fresh image. So the name literally means Fields Park, Park of the Fields. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give me a like, give me a share and give me a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.